And now we're looking at panic-stricken migrants who are once again heading back to their homes. Hundreds of migrant workers were spotted leaving for their home states from the Anand Vihar bus terminal. This despite Chief Minister Kejriwal appealing for them to be staying put. Similar scenes were also witnessed in Surat. Let's take a look at this ground report.
As Delhi relocks till April the 26th, panic-stricken migrants head home. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's appeal for calm not enough.
मैं खास तौर से हाथ जोड़ के अपील करना चाहता हूँ। ये छोटा सा लॉकडाउन है, 6 दिन का। दिल्ली छोड़ के मत जाइएगा।
The scenes outside Anand Vihar bus terminus rekindle memories of last year. Then thousands of migrants had queued outside this bus depot after the Modi government announced a nationwide lockdown.
अभी के हालात को देखते हुए देश में ये लॉकडाउन 21 दिन का होगा.
This year, the situation is no different. Fearing an extension of lockdown, these people want to head home, even if it means sitting on the roof of the buses.
Ever since Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced a lockdown for the period of 6 days, even after his repeated appeals, hundreds of migrant workers have already started to leave Delhi. We are right now at Anand Vihar bus terminal where it is absolutely chaotic on the ground. आप लोग चीफ मिनिस्टर जो मुख्यमंत्री जो हैं उन्होंने बोला आज हाथ जोड़ के कि 1 हफ्ते का लॉकडाउन है, तो फिर भी आप लोग क्यों निकल रहे हैं?
1 हफ्ते का कोई पता थोड़ी ना, फिर आगे बढ़ जाएगी लॉकडाउन पिछले की तरह।
दादा बच्ची है आपके हाथ में, छोटी बच्ची, डर नहीं लग रहा आपको?
कोई डर नहीं है, घर पहुंच जाऊंगा, फिर क्या डर है?
Some of them have even lost their jobs and wish to return home as soon as possible. With COVID surge severely hitting the health infrastructure, these people feel unsafe in these testing times.
अब कंपनी मालिक कह रहा है बंद कर रहे हैं, अब क्या करें?
अब हम लोग मालिक कह रहे बंद कर रहे हैं और क्या? अभी दादा के संक्रमण के डर से ज्यादा कहीं ना कहीं भूख का डर ज्यादा हो रहा है कि खाएंगे क्या?
खाएंगे क्या, जो भूखे रहेंगे और क्या होगा, मजबूरी है सामने.
The insecurity and fear among migrants is not limited to Delhi alone. Similar situation was witnessed in Surat, where workers from UP and Bihar thronged the railway station.
Yet again we are seeing the similar picture of mass exodus of the migrants, again from Gujarat. The sense of fear, pandemic situation, lockdown, and also losing jobs. Several concerns yet around after 365 days in these minds. Nothing has been addressed for last 1 year. And as the second wave hit it worst, the migrants are at receiving it, and exactly why they are forced to leave these areas like Gujarat, Maharashtra and Delhi.
Packed in trains and buses, these people have no option but to head home due to the monster virus surge. With Tanushree Pandey in Delhi and Ashutosh Mishra from Surat, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.